Question number 6. 5 persons fire bullets at a target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 seconds respectively. The number of times they would fire the bullets together at the target in an hour is. So here there are 5 persons. They are firing bullet at an target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 seconds respectively. Then the number of times they would fire the bullets together at the targets in an hour is. So a hour means 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. Then in this 3600 seconds, how many times they will fire together? That is what we have to find. So there are 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then first person fire first at 6th second, then second person at 7th second, third person at 8th second, fourth person at 9th second, fifth person at 12th second. Similarly, second fire by first person at 12th second, here at 14th second, 16th second, 18th second, 24th second, then third fire at 18th, 21st second, 24th second, 27th second, 36th second. Like this they will fire. Then at one time all these 5 persons will fire together. So first we have to find what is that second. Then how many such seconds are there in this 3600? That will be our answer. So here we can see the first person fire his third bullet at 18th second. Similarly, fourth person fire his second bullet at 18th second. So similarly, when all these 5 persons fire together, that is what we have to find. For that we have to find the LCM of all these 5 numbers. How to find LCM of all these 5 numbers? That we can do by prime factorization. 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Then we know which is the smallest prime number, that is 2. The next one 3, then next 5, next one 7. Like that is going. The next one is 11, then 13, then 17, like that. What is mean by a prime number? This prime number we can't write as a multiple of 2 other numbers other than this number and 1. For example, 3 we can write only as 3 into 1. 6 is not a prime number because this we can write as multiple of 2 smaller numbers, 2 into 3. So here how we do prime factorization? First consider the smallest prime number 2, then divide with all these 5 numbers. So in 6 there are 3 2's. 7 is not exactly divisible by 2, so we just keep 7 as it is. Then 8 there are 4 2's. 9 also not exactly divisible. In 12 there are 6. So again there are 2 even numbers, so that means we can divide these 2 also with 2. Then 3, 7, here it is 2, 9, here it is 3. Now there is only one even number, that is 2 itself, so we don't have to divide by 2. So we consider the next prime number, that is 3. Here only 1. 7 is not exactly divisible by 3. 2. here it is 3 3s are 9, here 1. Then here all these are different prime numbers, so we don't have to divide with any prime number again. Now to find the LCM, multiply all these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 3. We get 2 into 2 into 2 8, 3 into 3 9, 8 into 9 equal to 72, 72 into 7 504. So at the 504th second they all fire together. Then how many 504 seconds are there in 3600? That many number of time they all fire together. 504. So 7 into 4 28, 7 into 0 0 2, then 7 into 5 35. So here we can say there are 7 504 in 3600. Therefore our answer is option B, 7. 7 times they all fire together. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.